So in the interim period or the instrumental part, you go back to doing a lue. This is how we do it, but again, it's up to you what you want to do. You could do the lue, and then we changed formations at that point. Now, le vai wa manino. Vai meaning water, manino meaning clear. So vai, you're going for a swim. Le vai wa manino. Manino clear. Water vai wa manino. Again, le vai wa manino. Ua longo ai lo tino. Longo ai lo tino le. Yeah. Longo ai lo tino, I feel it in your body. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ua longo ai lo. So let's do le vai. Le vai, knees are bent. Le vai wa manino. Ua longo ai. Ua longo ai. Longo ai lo tino. Le vai wa manino. Ua longo ai lo tino. You feel it all over your body. Let's try it again. Le vai wa manino. Ua longo ai lo tino. Le vai wa manino. Ua longo ai lo tino. And then you're going to bring your hand up here and step here. You're going to step back. Salia. You know when you receive a gift in Samoa and the gift gets handed to you and you put the gift on your head to show your appreciation? Like, you've taken it, you know, you say thank you. So that's that movement. You're going to go back, back. Okay, head down at that time, because when you do that, when you receive a gift, you put your head down. Okay, so from here, ba, 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 I feel it in my body. Talia, head back, bending down, and then you're gonna come, this foot, the right foot's gonna come up, and you're gonna be a proud movement like this. Step back and so forward, back, forward, back. Let's try that again. Talia, back, back, straight, and this hand's here, 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 and hand, here, here, okay? Here, let's try it again. Back, right hand, left hand, up straight, left, 2, 3, 4. And then you're gonna go with that instrumental part, all the way to here. Okay, let's try that from the beginning. Vai wa manino. Ua longo ai lo tino. And left, right, here, 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 here. Try it again. Le vai wa manino. Ua longo ai lo tino. Sa etaliena, malo fia fia ya ita. Ola uleva ai. The way I see it, so you're gonna go, you're turning to the left, you're gonna clap up, left foot's coming forward. You're gonna look. So the right hand goes onto the left leg, and the left hand comes up to look. Ola uleva ai. You are there, malia, iyai. You're okay now. Malia o malia lo look la'u, lea ma'ai. Ua malia, and forward, back. From the water. Le vai wa manino. Ua longo ai lo tino. Sa etaliaina, malo fia fia ya ita. Ola uleva ai, look. Uleva ai. Lean left, right, left, right. Te leo aso. Te leo lots of days. You're counting the days. The next one, so you lean forward, Your hand comes to here, and you're stepping on your right. So you're gonna go tele o aso, hands, tele o aso. So from here, left, right, we're stepping on the right foot, and we're counting to your chest, to your hand, to your chest, to your hand. Set it to the left, push down, push down. Okay. Levai, levai, ua manino, knees are bent. Ua longo, ai lotino. Sa etaliaina, malo fia fia ya ita. Ola uleva ai, look, clap up, clap, look, clap to the back, lean to the left, counting, stepping on the right, counts, count, push down, push down. And this is the last movement. You're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. Push down, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're gonna throw this up here. So it goes like this. Okay, so it's a quick movement, the next one. So you push down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, step back, 8, and then all the way around to this part, back to that chorus part. Let's try it with the music, just that second verse. Quick, so you're gonna go 1, 2, step, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, step around. Try that. Tas, dua, sol, fa, lima, ono, fitu, valo. Okay, let's go from the top, and then that's all the actions you need to know for the dance. Let's do this dance together now. From the beginning. You can smile. learning the choreography for that dance. Thank you for joining us. We really appreciate it. There's so much more to Siva Samoa that I would like to say during the process of learning that dance, and so much more I want to say about how we came up with the song and the dance and why it means so much. But I'll leave that to your interpretation. It's a subjective opinion, so you process it and express it the way you would like to express it. Please be kind and pray for the whole world. And hopefully one day we'll open up our doors again here at Matavai. Otherwise, stay tuned to our YouTube channel. Join us in our classes, matavai.com.au.